I just want to share with you the updates that I made to this project, Water Springs. As you can see, you can manipulate the parameters right here in the editor. And this is how it looks. I think the combination of the springs and the shader effects looks really cool. And here you can manipulate the shader, the color, the noise speed, the scale, the strength, and the scale and the sum of the reflection. Also the fade. And here you can see the functions, how they work. And you can change the width of the water line. You can manipulate the fade of the effect. You can manipulate the parameters of the springs. For example, I can reduce the dampening so the effect is stronger. Or I can go directly to the spring itself and I can change the motion factor so the effect is very strong. Now you will see that reuse the water component is simple because I stored everything inside one folder. So you just have to drag and drop the water body scene and you can use it. And I divided everything inside the script, so the springs aren't calculated inside the editor, of course. And the water scene just requires a character body to work. I am just adding the default icon, adding a collision polygon, and then the default script. I am just going to cut some code and change the motion mode to floating and save the scene. And this is not the scene. And now it's working. As you can see, it's very easy. Now, I just changed the way the force of the character affects the springs because I need the X force affect the springs in the Y axis. So I just changed that line and it works.